Kinoilam Shnong joko Shnong Nartap matakasngi arpo pratar krisau kila pli pa ba ya kajaka kan syokon ka community library hapo ka Shnong knang baki samla kinyo ban pelut haka ban wat jingnang jingsta nakate kajaka hakani kasngi lawan ban plino ekate ka library da u Roman Ningthojam naka Gunj Foundation kumukongsan haka jinga donlang uba si Shabong gram savak mausentai circle kumusembut kongsan Karing bila pungding na Musoni Socio-Economic Foundation, Upurvesh Yadav na Piramal Foundation, uba Silverstar Makri rang ba Shnong Nartam, ba Albert Sinclair, ba Stifford Dakar, ba Yohanes Kurba, kidokhat jongkador bar Shnong, kilong kumi longkpa lembat kiwe. Kumban syet ho yakate gajaka kan syokot la penbet penbiang da ka Shnong Nartam da ka jingyo jingarap lengba kilai tali ki kunhun tremon ngobha kata ka Musoni Socio-Economic Foundation ka Piramal Foundation bat ka CONG bat harengkat ka jinga IT met bat mensim da kinong Shnong ban penlum penlang yakikot na laki jong giyeng hakate ka sngi na kalyang kinong tre jong kite kilai tali ki kunhun kila sam ngobharu syaki khana school da ki tiar bakin yo pendon kam Hakajing puli jongki.
When this library. Why is this? I think we can do like this now. General knowledge. Even the Piramal Foundation you can do this now.
Yes.
Political science. Geography. Competitive exams.
Yeah, competitive exams.
Like this only we can segregate.
Yes. It will divide the categories according to the book.
Today we have already inaugurated the library. Whatever we have the book, we already contributed. Whatever the villagers had the book, villagers had already contributed. Kampu Piramal Foundation. Going forward, we also need to subscribe more newspaper, subscribe more employment news, subscribe more magazines, so that people can come, read, enjoy the library. Also, we can also think to collect the contribution from the villagers as well as from the neighboring villagers who ever come to community library for maintenance of the community library. You know, one computer has already contributed by the Musoni, but now to make a resourceful center, we need to buy one printer, we need to connect with the internet, we need to buy more computer so that villagers, youths, students, anyone can come and access the internet, so that, you know, for applying the government jobs, for applying the college, for applying anything in the internet. Whatever we had contributed the books, more, we are also looking forward to contribute more for the children. Since due to the lack of the limited time, we could not provide more books, but going forward, next time we will think to provide more books for children, so that children can also enjoy more books. Now in this library we need to install even the fan also.
Library here with the collaboration of Gunj, Mozoni and Kanko Foundation. Our heartful gratitude for them for giving us the books to distribute in this village, and also the Mozoni Foundation for equipping this library with desktop computer. Thank you to all. And this event marks a significant stride in our collective mission to enhance education and widen access to knowledge in Rivoy district. Thank you so much for here to make your presence in this library inauguration, and I will request my co-fellow Purvesh Yadav to share something.
the development in a very fast pace, na? How collaboration can actually result in a very good manner, especially in rural areas. So first of all, respected chief, declared that there will be a short speech from Piramal Foundation, and I cannot speak more, but I will more focus on why this library is important for you all and how this library will become a sustainable resource of information for this village, Nartap. Okay, so I will first start with the fact that national education policy, it is a policy which is made by the government of India. National education policy 2020 highlighted that the schools who has the libraries in them have a better result in comparison to the schools which do not have the library. So since we the village of Nartap has now library, we expect that definitely our village will grow in terms of education. But now I am talking about only school. It means I am talking about children, and here we have set up the community library. Now why community library? Because then we hear about some programs, governmental programs like New India Literacy Program. So New India Literacy Program focuses on adult education also. So when government is also focusing on adult education, everybody is also focused on school children education, and this is how we have come up to set up a community library which will be able to give education, which will be able to provide knowledge to all the members of this village. And then yes, we were discussing about that, we were discussing about when we were sitting in that room, that Meghalaya's people or the Khasi people are a bit reluctant in going out of their comfort zones. So the reason might be unwillingness, but the another reason can be that the shortage of knowledge and information. If you have to go out and explore the world, now if I have to go out from my village and explore the world, I will need knowledge about the world. I will need information. I should have information what type of world is actually existing out of my village. And do you see that library? That library is the source of that information. The library is the source of that knowledge. That community library is actually a mini world you have set up in your village. You can roam around anywhere in your world if you are sitting in the library and reading a book. So another thing, it comes the usage of library. Now we have set up the library. There is a lot of enthusiasm here. There is a lot of enthusiasm here on this munch, and there when the people were dancing, some girls were dancing, lot of energy, lot of enthusiasm. This enthusiasm, zeal, energy should not end on this day, because this day is the inauguration of such a great initiative. But today is the day we also start a new what should I say, a new journey towards a better education for Nartap. So that same energy should also reflect in participation in usage of the library also.